Here at Rocky Point in the parish of Clarendon, and it really is a sobering scene here as residents try to secure property as well as some of their boats as they anticipate the arrival of Hurricane Melissa. Jamaicans begin to brace for what is expected to be a massive hurricane in Hurricane Melissa. It is now a Category 4 storm. We expect it to be a Category 5 storm tonight before it approaches Jamaica and covers Jamaica as a Category 4. We anticipate its arrival in a little over 24 hours, but we can feel the effects of the storm just a few miles out to sea. The wind, you can tell, heavy right now, and the seas are choppy. We anticipate that the waves will come well inland. The residents of Rocky Point, it's sobering in speaking to them because they know that they have to evacuate as well as secure property as well as securing their lives. And we
leave me also, I can look at the boat, and when I come, oh my God, this man behind me, Jogi, Angie, son, bag about 13 away, 17 boat we all up. A man where I drop the boat said 25,000. We just move the boat from there to put it here, we couldn't afford it. So we have to get help one another and a job. But we know it's a serious storm this is going to affect Rocky Point. I know it.
How did Beryl affect you last year?
I'll know me no recover it yet. I'll know. It's just like about 9 months now. Me put on my house stop, furniture them gone. I don't, but me know me I work with it till better. But now it gonna affect me more worse. Me move me engine, me compressor, me hose, me pull up the boat. Me move me little boy, I move my baby father. Cause disabling catch Ben's 4 years now. So me try move him, put him on a higher ground. But me stay down here and just watch where I go on.
Is that safe?
For me?
For you to stay?
Well, me just want to be around in the community to see what happens.
Today, the preparations. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company has sent transportation for the residents of the area, and some are refusing to go.
Mr. Pernell, and he's sending a bus by 1-2 o'clock for all the disabled people, the old people them, and parents with single mothers with lots of kids. He come last night and give away a phone card, and give away tarpaulin, and he have lots of mattress and package to give away, and everybody refused to go. They're not leaving their home. He can do more.
Please, mommy, please, pack up the necessary things and come. Let's go. Close the shop and come.
What's been happening here today in terms of evacuating the residents?
Okay, I am Althea Brown, the shelter manager for Rocky Point, and also the CDC coordinator and a member of the community. And also I'm a member of the Jamaica Red Cross. What we are trying to do today is to evacuate persons who are vulnerable and those persons who don't have anywhere to go, because Rocky Point is known for flood. It's a low-lying area, and as the rain drew water in people's house, and here in the pending threat of the storm and all the water will be rising 8 feet, this is of concern. That's why we are doing a little town cry with my mouth to go right through to everybody, try to get them on the bus or try to get them to family members who are living higher and higher ground, so as to eliminate the loss and for safety reasons. But some of them are so stubborn, they don't want to go. It's just like when no one want, and I tell them to leave, and they're not leaving. Because me feel the blunt of 2 hurricane. I was homeless for 5 months and 3 days. I know what it is. We don't take warning, see him lightly. But other persons have ulterior motives, because you know at that time them loot and all and something. But I am appealing to those persons, please to go to the shelter that the government assigned for you to go. Higher ground, they said go to very technical with
that. Me I do get together right now because me say it's about Monday, something like that it come. So me I get some food that you can see, banana and whatever make it cost me have all a little room here to warm up your body. Yes.
How long have you been living?
2008 and I relocated here and I lived through Dean. I didn't see the other one, and what happened with Burrell, we recover faster than Dean, and what happened, we were prepared last year, but the greatest thing with Dean, he never stayed long. In less than 2.5 hours, Burrell was history. This thing we anticipate for a 3-day thing, and we believe that we're going to have loss of life and other detrimental, and I'm advising the local people, don't batten down yourself without an escape route out of your house in case of the flooding. But other than that, we're doing okay, and we're doing preparation with boarding and fooding, yeah.
Our shelters near. We anticipate the system to hit Jamaica in a little over 24 hours. The residents are really trying to put together everything that they know to escape the worst of Hurricane Melissa.
One, two. No, it have to come up. One, remember say people no heavy are not yet, you know. And that one where you sit down there, sir, me fixing it, repairing it. That one, where you see the youth.
I have to take a 10 minutes to do what you have to do. And over here, I have the rosemary, the cinnamon tea, and this is a good bush. This bush is to clean your blood. Very, very good. I have the
That is it. Yeah, man, that is it, you know what I mean?
This morning, Jamaica bracing for the looming threat of Hurricane Melissa, which has already claimed 3 lives in Haiti and 1 in the Dominican Republic. Heavy rains and landslides sweeping the region, destroying homes, uprooting trees, and knocking out water supplies. All this as Jamaica stands squarely in the storm's path. People here bracing for the worst. Lines snaking out of stores with residents scrambling to grab essentials.
People are flocking to grocery stores to stock up on last-minute items, leaving shelves looking like this.
lots of people really don't have the financial means to get all that they would need.
Across Jamaica, time is running out. Hurricane Melissa is barreling toward the island. The nation is bracing for impact.
Still not time for panic. It is time to complete your preparations.
Sunday morning, people rushing to catch flights before the Montego Bay airport shut down.
Here in Kingston, Jamaica, the capital city, about 1 million people who reside here, and everyone is bracing. This is the calm before the storm. We are about 24 hours until initial major impacts with this heavy rain and winds. This track is tricky. It depends on where the landfall occurs, how west or how east it is to the capital city of Kingston. And that's an issue based upon what could occur here with so many different people in jeopardy. About 3 million people on the island nation of Jamaica. And everyone in the past 24 hours has realized the severity of what is ahead on this storm.
Jamaica, of course, everybody knows we have a history. We had Gilbert 37 years ago, and now we're having our first major hurricane since then. The government is very prepared. However, the infrastructure may just not be as ready. So we're busy cleaning up the drains, we're busy getting the homeless off the street, and we're busy making sure that all our first responders are equipped and resourced to work for the next week or so, handling the disruptions of power cuts, flooding, and any of the eventualities that comes with hurricanes like this.
We are preparing for multiple feet of rain, 2 to 3 feet of precipitation, the potential for catastrophic wind fields that may come in based upon the track of this. I mean, we're looking at maybe wind gusts over 150 miles an hour that could decimate structures here in Kingston and other areas.
We are looking on significant damage if this continues along this current trajectory. So we've asked persons to not wait until it gets to a point that it's difficult to evacuate or to save you, but rather to take early action.
And traversing the city of Kingston,